I'm sorry I didn't show you how I put them on, because I just got one hand, I can't do it, but I'll explain it. It's quite simple. Okay, I took the old rotor out right here. The old one is kind of warped and it's stuck into the, it's kind of stuck into that. So what I did is I used the screw from this one. After I take the caliper off, I use screw this one to turn it, push it back in to push the rotor out. And then I put them on my spare one that I have extra. And I put a new brake pad. See how thick that is? And put on a brake pad, it's quite easy. Okay. If you don't have to put rotor on, I'll explain it to you real quick, okay? You just take the wheel off, take the tire off, and take this thing, the pin right here, this pin right here. Take this pin out, take this out, and then just pull the pad out right here. Just pull the pad out, and if it's stubborn, you can just absorb it. You can just push it, just push it out, and then I don't know, man. You can just use. What I did is I took it off so I can push the caliper in with let me see what I use for caliper right here. I use this thing, this right here, and put the old brake pad in there and turn it and push two caliper, one in there, one in there, push it off and put them right back in and throw the new pad in there, and you're all done. It's really simple. You don't need to pay anybody for brake job. It's just too easy to pay anyone. So hopefully I can help. And just like that, you take the caliper off. If it's hard, just take the caliper off. Make sure you hang this thing so you won't. See, I used my rope right here to hang my caliper, and just used this thing to push the caliper in. Push it all in all the way. Push it in all the way, and then put the new pad in. And it's just a pin that hole right here. One pin, two pins right there, and you are done, man. Hopefully it helped. Thank you.